Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today I'll inform you a very important topic. The name is the form of verb go in past tense. Right? So here we can see the form of verb go in past perfect continuous tense. Form subject plus head plus been plus main verb plus ing plus object. Right, so already I made video on the present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, and past indefinite, past continuous, and past perfect tense. So I'll request you to go to my YouTube channel playlist and you can find those videos, and if you watch one by one videos you will get the knowledge how to make a tense, means it may be indefinite continuous perfect, right? Then it will be very easy for you to understand this English language and you can easily speak English fluently, right? So let's start today's video. Here we can find the table. This arrow mark indicates number, singular number and plural number, and in the below this arrow mark indicates the person, first person, second person and third person. So first of all we can see that first row here, first person, I had been going to school. Here in the sentence, if we analyze this sentence, then we can easily understand that I is subject, right, as per given here form, and had is helping verb, and been is past participle form of be verb, right, be, and go is the main verb, and ing is the continuous form, and object is school, right? So here we can understand as I had, it perfect, right? Been, I had been, it makes the perfect tense, and going to school, here it's continuous, right? Means been is the past participle form of be, right? So we can understand this, I had been going to school, right? So as per this form we can understand this. If we see any form in any sentence, then we can easily understand that this sentence is past perfect continuous sentence, right? So here singular number, I have seen already this sentence, I had been going to school. And if we see the first person plural number, we had been going to school. Here I has replaced with we, and other thing is same. Had is the helping verb and been is the be verb's past participle form, and go is the main verb, and ing is the continuous form, and school is object. So we had been going to school. Okay, and if we see the second row of this table, second person, and we can read here, you had been going to school. Here you is the subject and had is the helping verb, been is the be verb's past participle form, and go is the main verb, and ing is the continuous form, and school is the object. So we can say you had been going to school, and the same sentence in plural number also, you had been going to school, right? So here you is the subject and had is the head, and be is the been is the be verb's past participle form, and going, go plus ing is the main verb plus ing, and school is the object. Here also third person we can say here that he, she, it had been going to school. Here he, she, it is the third person singular, had is the helping verb, and been is the be verb's past participle form, and go is the main verb, and ing is the continuous form, and school is the object of this sentence. So we can say either he had been going to school, or she had been going to school, or it had been going to school. So if we see last one, there's a plural number of third person, they had been going to school. Here in the sentence, there is the subject, had is the helping verb, and been is the be verbs, be is past participle form, and geo is the main verb and ing form for continuous, and school is the object. So we can say they had been going to school, right? So from this table we can understand easily how to write a past continuous tense, right? So first of all, we have to remember this form. If we remember this form, then if we see this form in any sentence, then we can easily understand how to write the past perfect continuous tense, or what is the sentence, right? So we can easily identify, or we can easily find which one is past perfect continuous tense, right? So I hope if you read this table very well, and if you understand deeply this table, then you can easily understand this past perfect continuous tense. So once I will read it, how to read this table. First of all, the form of go verb in past perfect continuous tense: form subject plus had plus been plus main verb plus ing plus object. Here it is number, singular number, plural number, and lower it is below, it is showing person, first person, second person, and third person. So if I read this first person singular number, I had been going to school, and plural number, we had been going to school. Second person, you had been going to school, and second person plural number, you had been going to school. Third person singular, he had been going to school, she had been going to school, it had been going to school. And third person plural number, they had been going to school. So we should read this in this way, and we should remember that what is the form and how to read and write this past perfect continuous tense, right? And one more important thing is that here I have given the go verb, so I am going to request you just to change the main verb. There are lots of main verb: see, come, read, write. So you can do any of this main verb, and you can make this table for your exercise. So thank you very much, and best wishes to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day.